Ngayon, sabi ko nga, marami na tayong ibinibigay na material things. No? What I would like to now do is to ask our athletes, our coaches, all our sports organizations. Imbes na maglalabas kami ng cash, well, if you need more cash, we'll find some more. But I think more importantly, I want to be part of the development of sports in the Philippines. Na iwanan na tayo. If you can consider, if you can consider that all of these athletes who have done so well and have made us so proud, there is no official technical support from the government. They did it on their own. Siyempre, meron tumutulong. Kuminsan yung gobyerno nakakatulong. Pero walang formal na struktura para tulungan yung ating mga atleta. And that's what we are going to establish now. So, I ask all of you to tell us, what is it that you need? Saan kayo, nung sa pag-training ng mga atleta natin, saan kayo nahirapan? Ano hindi ninyo magawa na maitutulog namin? You tell us. And hopefully, if we really work together and start to prepare for not only the Olympics, of course, that's a very important one, but not only the Olympics, we start to prepare for all the international competitions that we have that are before us. And I'm sure that na magkikita ulit tayo rito sa Palasyo, magko-congratulate ulit ako sa inyo, at hihingian natin ng pera yung pagkor ulit.